started with a very bold goal in terms of vaccine manufacturing in 2021 to manufacture our 60% of vaccine needs by 2040.
We are coming together to explore the future of local manufacturing in Africa, a key step in advancing health security and self-reliance on our continent.
COVID-19 pandemic was a stark reminder for how Africa was pushed to the back of the queue for life-saving vaccines and treatments, reinforcing the urgent need for self-reliance.
Based on the lesson learned from the COVID-19 pandemic, Africa has recognized the importance of localization vaccine production. In the line with this vision, Egypt is moving toward becoming one of the countries manufacturing vaccine in Africa.
Now, gathering here in Africa, the cradle of mankind, it reminded me very deeply of the common roots that we have and how intertwined our lives are. Not only during pandemics, as we've just lived through, but at a deeper human and cultural level. And I think this interconnectedness is the basis for our forum. So I find gathering here in Cairo, Egypt, Africa, is a very befitting backdrop for this forum to inspire us to take significant steps towards ensuring a more equitable distribution of vaccines and other health products across Africa and across the globe.
This is an opportunity for you to discuss where we are in our journey with reference to vaccine manufacturing on the continent.
We have facilities, we have the desire to manufacture vaccines in Africa. My answer is yes, you can.
The target is not just strategic ambition, but a reflection of our shared determination to create a resilient healthcare ecosystem for future generations. This year marks a turning point for Africa's health manufacturing capabilities with major strides in vaccine production, financing, and regulatory advancement.
We are all very supportive of a vibrant, sustainable commercial vaccine manufacturing sector on the continent. We are very supportive of your aspirations to achieve self-sufficiency in vaccine manufacturing. And we realize that this goal will only be achieved when there is African leadership, when there's full African commitment, and when there is capacity on the continent. And in humility, we are here to support you in whatever small way that we can.
Being a regional hub for vaccine, I believe that many countries in the African continent could be of help in that particular domain, and fostering local expertise from every country is very important to leverage this advanced technology and strengthening our regional partnership. But to succeed, I believe we must strengthen market demand through pool procurement. This procurement agency for African will be of great help and also will promote African manufacturers.
Africa CDC, together with Gavi, RVMC, WHO, UNICEF, and all other partners, supported by the strong vision of our leaders, Africa CDC is committed to leading this transformation. But we need all of you.